I don't listen to the haters, man, I treat them like the enemy. Had a couple traitors, man, but now they know the penalty. I tell them, see you later, fam, I do not need this jealousy. I got no time for failure, man, I wanna leave a legacy. I lock in and I'm sold out, pop up for the whole crowd. I got this, I roll out, I promise, have no doubt. I'm all in, here I go now, call in, you all out.
What's up, everybody? It's your host Marquise, and you're watching MDG Entertainment. Now, today we do not have a anime like song reaction. You know, that's my typical content. But today we have Machine Gun Kelly, Drunken Face. I've been hearing some real weird things about MGK, that he doesn't rap anymore, that he does like some kind of punk rock kind of thing now, and honestly, I just haven't heard it. Like, I haven't listened to what's the last MGK song I heard? It's been a minute. So I gotta check this out. I gotta see what the hype is all about. Let's go. I know his whole personality is like different now.
Next summer,
okay.
I'm back on those drugs I quit. I kept my dealer's number.
Okay.
I'm still young, wasting my youth.
I like. What? Hold on, bring it back. Hold on.
Still young, wasting my youth. I'll grow up next summer. I'm back.
Like, he changed his whole style. Like,
my dealer's number. I'm still
this sounds completely different. Oh yeah, I forgot he was dating Megan Fox.
I should have lost her number. I'm overcompensating for heartbreak. I swallowed a pill that was in a heart shape.
Okay.
My chest feeling my heartbeat.
Bro, hold on. He even got the pink fingernail polish. Yo, this man is all punk rock right now. I don't know how I feel about that. What? Dude, MGK been like the white boy rapper when I was growing up. Like, obviously we got Eminem, but Eminem was like before my time, technically speaking. But I still love Eminem, favorite artist. But like, I know MGK like dabbled in like rock music a little bit, but holy shit, I didn't know he was going like full punk.
She's spilling a drink all on my car seat. She'll get attached and then trap me. Then I gotta act like I'm happy.
Okay.
She posts pics to get at me. Deja vu, just like last week. I'm still young, wasting my youth.
I like it though. I like it. What?
Back on those drugs I quit. I kept my dealer's number.
Okay.
I'm still young, wasting my youth. I'll grow up next summer. I'm back on that girl I quit. I should have lost her number.
When you look up and look back down, this right here will be fucking huge. Let's go.
He don't even talk the same no more. What? That's a big ass blunt. Holy shit, bro. Hold on. He doesn't even talk the same. Like, bro, he doesn't even sound the same anymore. Like, he doesn't sound like MGK. What the fuck is going on? Like, did I go to like some kind of parallel dimension or something? But I like it though. I like it. It's giving me like early it's giving me early 2000s punk rock kind of vibes. Now, look, I was only born in 97, right? I'm only 23. But you know, growing up when I was a kid, I listened to like a lot of well, I didn't personally, but like I had friends that listened to like a lot of pop music, like Linkin Park and Panic in the Disco. What was the other one? I don't know. It was a lot of, but this is kind of what it reminded me of, like an early 2000 like punk kind of vibe.
Pedal to the floor, yeah, I can't break. The floor of the hotel's my ashtray. She opened the door and walked past me. I'm a Hollywood whore, I don't ask names.
Hey, okay.
Let's get high as fuck. I try to cover up eyes that have seen too much. I go blind for her touch. I'm still young.
Oh my god. This is good. This is actually really good.
I'm back on those drugs I quit. I kept my dealer's number. I'm still young, wasting
I like
my
this.
youth. I'll grow up next summer.
is amazing, bro. And I love that hook.
I'm still young, I promise that I'll grow up next summer.
Yo.
Alright. I don't like being slow. We gotta go fast. Alright. I'm on a count of 30 for heartbreak. I swallowed a pill.
Yo. Honestly, truthfully, it wasn't bad. Like, I'm gonna be for real with y'all. Like, it wasn't bad. Now, personally, me, yes, I like his rap stuff a little bit more, just because I like rap music. Like, I like the genre of rap better. You know, that's just my cup of tea. But that wasn't a bad song. Like, I could like that's something to where, like, if people was trying to, like, you know, just a fan of MGK and was just following him, that's a very easy transition to make, because the lyrics and stuff was still good. It still had a great vibe to it, like a party type of vibe. But to be honest, MGK just seems generally happier doing this than he was in rap, bro. In rap, I feel like he always had something to prove. Like, he always had to live up to Eminem. You know, he was always in Eminem's shadow, because Eminem was the white guy, bro. And he just happened to be one of the greatest rappers of all time. So if you a white guy who also rap, you are automatically going to be compared to Eminem. Like, Logic, automatically compared to Eminem. NF, automatically compared to Eminem. Like, every single white person in the game is going to be compared to Eminem. So, and then with their whole beef and everything like that, man, like, he just really felt like he probably was just living in his shadow. Everybody kept comparing him. He had to deal with all this stupid shit. So now he's doing rock music. He can be his own artist. He can start, I would say start over, but like a kind of fresh start. And it just seemed, like I said, he just seemed like he's happier. It seems like this is the type of music he wanted to do right out the gate. So I don't know. I'm gonna definitely check out more MGK, because that song was lit. Let me know what y'all guys think about that in the comment sections below, and I'll catch y'all guys later. Peace.